Hi, and welcome to the Girlfriends Lounge. My name is Marcy, and I am going to do an unboxing for your creative studio. This is the April 2022 box, and some of their boxes sell out pretty fast, and others you can still find them on their website until they're no longer available. So here is, I did open this one already, so take everything out of here. I'll take everything out. So here is, you get a stamp and some washi tape. Here is another stamp. Very pretty. I save all of these packets. Here is another clear stamp set. Take it out. And then let me move that aside. We have some paper stickers. So this is everything that you get as far as paper wise. And here is the thank you card, which normally has a theme. I think this is the vintage garden theme. And I will take these all out of their packaging and I'll be right back. Okay, here's everything out of the package. I'll go through the stickers first. So you get a sheet of stickers, and then there's usually a sheet of, these are the transparent stickers. This package, you get a nice little selection of sticky notes, and it's the same image on each. Then you get some stamped or sticker stamps, and let me clear everything out and I'll lay those out for you. Okay, and here are all of this stamp stickers. Let's see if I can get all of these in frame. So it looks like you get, I'm gonna move the camera closer. So you get 2 of each. And then here are the last 3. So you get a nice little assortment, and I'll clear these away and bring back the paper. Okay, so here's the paper. You usually get, I think there's anywhere from 4 to 5 sheets of tissue paper. And let's see, yeah, there's 5 in this one. They all have the same print. And then here is the paper. Sometimes you get like a 5x7 sheet, and other times it might be like a 4x6. They're all the same prints, but you'll get a vellum option. And then this, you'll get 2 of these. Sometimes you get sticker sheets of these. So let's see, you have 2 papers. So these are 2 of the same image. And then sometimes there's sticker sheets with the same images of that. Okay, so let me get the die cuts and I'll be right back. Okay, and here are the die cuts that you receive in this set. I will try to slowly scan through everything. This is a really nice, very sturdy or heavy cardboard. And you get 2 of each. And then I have, I'll open up the washi tape and also the little ephemera pack, and I'll be right back. Okay, and then here is the little ephemera kit that you get. They are, there's stickers. Let's see. These are all stickers. So you get 2 of each. These are stickers and these are stickers. And then these are just labels. You get 2 of each style. If I can pick that up for a closer look. And these are, I don't know if you can see kind of the texture on there, but again, this feels like that resume paper or like linen paper. This again is kind of a textured, let's see, I already showed those. And then this, the paper, this paper that feels textured is a little bit thicker. This is probably like maybe a medium copy weight paper. And then here's one more. And then you get a little set of dried baby's breath. And then here is the tape, or the washi tape, or little stickers, or I'm sorry, they're stamps. This one is, it's kind of crushed on the edge, so they're not coming out as in the stamp form. So I would maybe try to go around and lift up on the edges and see if that helps if you order this box and the same thing happens, because I haven't been able to tear off a full sheet yet. And then normally when I do an unboxing, I'll put together a little sampling of using the products, but I wanted to tell you that I save all of these. This one is perfect just the way it is. It's a cardstock. I would put some coffee or tea dyed paper over the back, make that a journaling spot, and this is a perfect, you can turn it into a tag, and this is a perfect journal card. On this, I would just put a sticker, or you can use a whiteout and kind of cover this, and then put something down here, and then the same, you could use this as a journaling space, or you could put coffee dyed paper, tea dyed paper, or patterned paper, and then the same with this. So these are really good to keep. Okay, so I keep all of the packaging. The stamps for the clear stamps that are individual, I have a little organizer that I keep the stamps in. And so since this is a little bit bigger, it doesn't fit in the pockets, but I'll just put it on the outside. And I purchased this on Amazon. It's a 4x6 pockets, and this is really nice for on the go. I am currently traveling, so I like to bring a little sampling of everything with me. These are the wood blocks, so I have a hobby box at home that I have a tray in there that these will all go in when I return. And again, the packaging, I save all of the packaging. And then how I store them, instead of putting them back in the boxes, because it's just too bulky to keep all of the boxes, I write on here, I write the kit number. Again, if I have things close by. So this is the April 2022 box. So I would just do this, and then there is also a SKU number on the box, and so I will write that down. And then the box gets recycled. The washi tape I make a sample for my for traveling, and or for my journal. So I make a sample of those, and then that goes with my washi tape. And I have a washi tape organization video. I think it's attached to the Temu haul that I have. So then I just package it up like this, and then I have one of these bags. I've purchased these from oh, it's kind of come out apart there. I've purchased these from Amazon and Temu. The set I got on Temu is in the massive Temu haul. That one had, I think there was like 30 in a pack, and they were various sizes, and they had like huge sizes. So those are nice for bigger size papers or putting a whole kit together. So I can usually fit, I think there's 3 in here. I can usually fit 3 in a container, and this takes up a lot less space than the boxes do. So that's just how I store it. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm so grateful for all of the new subscribers, and for those of you that are returning. I've said before in other videos that it just humbles my heart so much to receive the positive feedback that I've received. So thank you so much. Have a magnificent day, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.